Hi, my name is Andy Lyons, and I'm the owner of the Lyons Law Group. I can't think of anything more rewarding than what I do. It started in a storage room in the back of this building where I rented space with my wife. We started with a milk crate, a computer, and a credit card. 7 years later, we've bought the building. I have 10 employees, and we're a thriving and growing law firm. I've always, however, kept my office in the back room in the storage room to always remember where I came from and keep my feet to the ground. I think what inspired me to become a lawyer was a class trip when I was really young, maybe in 5th grade or so. We went to the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, and I watched arguments happen before the Supreme Court. I was very moved, and I think from that moment forward, I always knew that that was something that I wanted to do. As a kid, I would put together logical arguments that my parents had no choice but to accept, and really that was when I learned the power of logic, the power of reason, the power of knowledge. I got my undergraduate degree in Boston in business. I then went to Philadelphia to study law and get my MBA. I went to law school during the day and I got my MBA at night and got them both done in 3 years. It was a lot of work, but I have found it to be very rewarding and worth it. It has certainly helped me in the practice of law, but it's also helped me manage this business and grow this business so that I can really service my clients, and that's really what this is about. One of the things that my clients learn about me very quickly is that I'm very honest. Good, bad, or ugly, I'm going to give it to my clients straight. My clients need to know if they're facing something difficult, what that is, how long that they have in the home, what it means in terms of money. In these situations, my clients have been operating under misinformation or wrong information for too long. And part of what I do is educating my clients to try and teach them what this process is, what it means to them, and what some potential legal options and solutions are. I spend a lot of time preparing to go to court. Court is all about preparation. That, if anything, is what has brought me such a good reputation. And reputation in my business is everything. And I've got a wonderful reputation with the judges and with opposing counsel for being a strong litigator, but also for one that brings realistic solutions to my clients' problems. The reason that I have such a good reputation, quite frankly, is because I care and I spend so much time on my craft, working for my clients, preparing for court, making sure that they have what they need and for their modifications, and making sure I have what I need for my court hearings is what my law firm does. The banks have a real risk in going to trial and losing because it's very expensive. They now have to pay their lawyers, they have to pay me, and they don't have the home. Part of the reason that we do so much work in the community, frankly, is selfish. I get more out of giving than I ever got from anything else. We have a unique ability to help people in need, and I feel a calling to give that away. That is not something that I hold on to. It is something that I freely give away. I have a free consult with every client, and I give them their legal options right then. We feel that it is very important to make sure that we're connected to the community and that we give back. We have the knowledge and the ability to help, so we feel that it's incumbent upon us to do so. It's the feeling of saving someone's home. At times, it feels like I'm saving lives. It's the feeling of using what I know to help people. That, for me, is more rewarding than anything else. I love what I do. I know that people may find real estate law boring. I love it. I found a perfect marriage of what I really love to do and using that to help people. For me, I found the perfect career.